Hey everybody, welcome back to another El Yucateco recipe video. My name is Mike and today I'm going to be showing you a recipe for some carne guisada or beef stew. This is a Latin beef stew recipe and we're going to be encompassing some robust flavors from our achiote paste. It's coming up right now. Hey everybody, once again, welcome back. It's good to see you. We really appreciate all your support. And if you're not following us here yet, consider doing so by hitting that button down there. You don't want to miss out on any of these great recipes we're putting out. And speaking of that, like I always say, let's get right into today's recipe. Today's recipe features our achiote paste, which is made from annatto seeds. This is packed full of flavor and it really gives food an amazing color. To get started for today's recipe, we're just going to dissolve a cube of that in some warm broth. Now you can go with vegetable broth, beef broth, or chicken broth for this, whatever your preference. Then simply set that aside. Next, in a large pot on medium heat, we're going to start with some olive oil, then add some green onion and saute that down for just a few minutes. Next, we'll add tomatoes, cilantro, garlic, and a little bit of salt and pepper. Now continue to saute that and stir it frequently. Once a few minutes has passed, we're going to add our beef stew meat. Now you can use any type of roast for this. You can just purchase beef stew meat at the grocery store. Usually they have it pre-cut. You just want to use something with a little bit of fat and cut this into approximately 1-inch cube pieces. Next, we're going to add our broth that we flavored with achiote paste, cumin, adobo seasoning, 1 bay leaf. Now give that a good mix, cover it up, and allow it to cook on low to medium heat for approximately an hour and 15 minutes, or until your beef is tender. Check on the meat. If it's tender enough, you can go ahead and add your potatoes. If not, allow it to cook just a little bit longer until that meat is perfectly tender. Then add your potatoes. Once again, give this a good stir and cover it up. Allow it to cook for approximately 20 more minutes or until those potatoes are nice and tender. As soon as they are, go ahead and remove that bay leaf and we're gonna serve it up just like this. Traditionally, you do serve this up with white rice, so that's what we went with today. This is colorful, beautiful, and the smells are absolutely off the grid. So I'm not even gonna garnish this with anything. I'm gonna get right into my favorite part of the video. Cheers, everyone. Okay, so I was amazed when I did recipe testing on this, and I'm amazed now. And if you're like me and you love soups and you love stews, this is one that you do not want to miss. That El Yucateco Achiote Paste added a lot of color and an incredible amount of flavor to this dish, and you can really taste those authentic flavors coming through. Okay, so another home run recipe here. I want to thank you very much for hanging out with me today. I truly appreciate your support. Don't forget till next time to kick up all your recipes with the King of Flavor. And I will see you on the next video.